I learned drawing without any experience after 30 days. And I'm going to show you how to get from this to this hyperrealistic eye. My name is Kian, and I started drawing from the 1st May last year. It's 2023. I'm a soccer player and I needed a source of income to my football or soccer. I don't know. So I started drawing and active on YouTube. My first drawing was not good, but it was always bad in the first place of any skill. Did you do well the first time you wanted to read or write the text? Or did you accept the first time you threw the ball to the hoop? Looks like the LeBron James.
Coming to the end of the third quarter. LeBron James, a shot in history.
No, we all have bad first times. I decided to learn by myself without going any class. I started to learn most basic lessons from the beginning, and these lessons very boring for me. Shadowing exercise, basic head shapes, and basic stuff. And I was convinced there is no shortcut. So I moved on. I drew and drew. Since I wanted to be the best, I had to draw every day after the first day. I drew some simple thing like a bedside lamp or winglass. I started by drawing shapes like a cylinder. On day 3, I did a perspective exercise, the 3D cylinder. To be honest, I still didn't understand it myself in this direction or in that direction. Anyway, on day 4, I read about shadows and I did that. And again, I drew glass of wind. That was my progress. I noticed that in some place there are shadows, the lines are darker, like this. Day 5, I drew a cube with a shadow with different directions of light. The shadows grow taller each time. On day 6, I drew simple shapes with a shadow. It was very easy, especially drawing toilet paper. That looked like a cylinder. Eles son mentroso fue muy difícil. Shut up, Juan. I'm sorry for Juan, he's a talkative. So I say to myself that now I will draw my favorite car. But I realized that I still have to practice a lot. Day 7, 8, and 9. I drew squares on perspective and it was very interesting for me. That they looked real and not cakes. I learned 1 point perspective on day 7. On day 8, I learned 2 point perspective. What I mean by 1 point and 2 points is that when you see a room in front of you and you want to draw it, you should start drawing it from a point in front of the room and draw the things that in those rooms based on. I can't explain to you by tomorrow morning, but it doesn't matter. Who cares about explanations? Since I felt ready, I drew my favorite Lamborghini again. Result is much better than before. Day 12, I started to draw the simple shape of the head. And the next day, I added emotions like a happiness, mysterious, angry, and surprise. On day 13, I saw a tutorial on adding shadows to faces and added the shadow to the face. It was very good lesson for me. You feel surprised when you see it or feel tired of this. Day 15, I drew faces that I don't even know who they are. This looks like a hobby combined with this one monkey. But I'm sure this is the Spider Woman. On day 16, I decided to draw different poses of people. This one looks like Yokohama, and this one is like a person pulling off his head. And another poses. On day 19, I wanted to draw the picture of Cristiano Ronaldo drawn on my notebook, and I was able to draw it, but I drew my face and hair for him. Maybe you think it's funny, but with this, I suggest to myself that one day I will play in Real Madrid. On day 20, I started drawing parts of body and faces, such as eyes, lips, and hands. Since this lip wasn't very good, after seeing a few videos, I drew something great. I think it's great, but look at the lines, I'm really torn. it was really hard to draw so many lines. The next day, I pushed myself a lot and was busy drawing these 4 hours: falcon, snake, anime, human, and a skeleton. And for each of these drawings, I lost my fingers many times. Day 23, 24, and 25. Why are these not cleaned? On day 23, I started by drawing simple shape, and it was very cool. Day 24, I decided to draw Rick from the Walking Dead series. This is my favorite series. I still don't know what will happen in the end of the series. Anyway, I drew Rick's face in details, but not completely. And on day 25, I was able to draw a face with all the details and shadows. Since I wanted to challenge my card drawing skills again, so I drew this. And this drawing is really cool and wonderful for me. For the next day, I watched a drawing tutorial again. This time it was about drawing a house. And I think I drew it very well. Now that I had enough skills, I decided to draw a landscape. And the result was this. It doesn't look like the original skin at all, but it's not bad for the first time. On day 29, I drew the landscape again, but a little different. This time, I drew with a pen with all details. Well, before we go to my last drawing, all this progress from these lines to this house, this car, are not normal. It isn't possible for one person to progress so much. But I can tell you that the more you push and do something every day, the more result you will get. It doesn't matter what it is, whether football or drawing or business. Only one thing's important. You have to do this every day. I promise you, after 1 week or 1 month, you will be amazed at how far you have come. To be honest, now I am on day 273 and I have invented the style. Enough talking, okay? Let's get to what we've all been waiting for. And finally, I reached the last day, the final of the 30-day drawing challenge. Well, for this day, I watched an eye drawing video and this drawing was very beautiful. And did all this drawing with just one pencil. Because all you have a wonderful talent with you, I hope this video will help you to follow your goal. Have the will to do what you need to do. You just need to search within yourself. Do not force yourself to do anything. There is no guarantee that you will achieve your goal, but you must believe in yourself. And if you like this video, subscribe for more.